Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. Yesterday we read story, okay, and during reading we looked some words. They were some letters silent. Okay, I write here two rules about when K silent and when W silent. Look, when after K come N, then K becomes silent. Okay, here you can read no. Don't read no. Okay, K is silent. No, ni, not, knit, night. In all these words, you can see K don't have sound. It become silent. And I give you these only few words for practice. But any word during reading, any word that has first letter K and then become N, there K become silent. And same like this here, when after W come R, then W become silent. Look here, right, wrist, wrong, wrinkle, wreck. Okay, here don't read right because W silent. This you must be revise and memorize. Now after this, some places that we study in reading during our class. Apartment, it is small, where one family live only. Okay, some kids live with family. That is apartment. Then building, one building has many apartments. Okay, then street, one street have many buildings. And you can see where do you live. Each and every uh, place different name of streets. Okay, now you must be memorize the name of street where do you live. Then town, one town have many streets. And town, for example, here Shahar, okay, and like Salama, Garwa, Matna, Havaiya, these all towns, okay, and one town has many streets. After this, city, a city has many towns. For example, Taif have many towns, okay. After this, province, when many city put in one place and that become province, like Makkah. Makkah province has including Jeddah, Taif, and other city also. Then country. One country have more than one province. Then continent. One continent have more than one countries. Okay. For example, Asia. How many? Seven continent we have in the world total, and Asia is the biggest continent. And where we live in Asia because Saudi Arabia inside Asia. Okay, and Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Total we have seven continents, and in one continent many countries. And then world. This is world contains many continents, or we can say seven continents because there are seven on the world. Okay, boys, these things you revise, especially you revise these reading rules, these two rules, where K silent and where W silent. This you must be revised. Okay, then during reading you must be carefully read the word. Okay, see you later. Assalamu alaikum.